You are going to love the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, fog lights, compass, power brakes, clock, trip odometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.